Yo, hello everyone. Welcome back again. This is your African voice. Yeah. Myself, Gabs from South Sudan.
We from Sudan.
Yeah, brother. So today we are reacting to our Bangladesh people and
Yes.
Malaysia, or you can say Malaysian, right?
Malaysia.
is Arabic.
No, not Arabic. Malaysia.
So Malaysian, nothing is like Malaysian is there, right?
No.
Okay, it's Malaysia in Arabic.
Malaysia.
Malaysia in Arabic.
Malaysia.
In English, Malaysia. Okay. So we are reacting. We are going to see the country comparison, guys. We already reacted to a lot of videos about Bangladesh, and we learn a lot of things.
Yeah.
Right?
That can
Yeah,
a lot of information.
Yeah, we reacted to the capital city of Bangladesh, which is Dhaka, and also we reacted to Malaysia. Only one video. It was comparison between Indonesia and Malaysia. So we are going to learn more, guys, between the comparison. We are going to see the comparison between these two countries, and don't forget, guys, check more. We have a lot of reaction videos. This channel is only for reaction. In case you want to watch our vlogs also, you can check Gabs TV, guys. And let's do. Check Bangladesh, okay?
Okay.
I'll check Malaysia.
Okay.
Malaysia, coat of arms. Government of Malaysia. People's Republic of Bangladesh. People's Republic of Bangladesh. Location
South Asia.
This one is southeast of Asia. Independent Day
26, 1971. March.
19.
184 kilometers. Population 161 million. Bangladesh.
Malaysia. Okay.
India.
Head of government.
Sheikh of
Naik
China.
Sabri.
Sheikh of China.
I think both are Muslim countries.
Yeah.
Legislation.
Nigeria. Sunset.
GDP
416 billion. Billion only.
Not 16.
Yeah. 416.
Bangladesh is the GDP.
Dhaka.
High. Putra Jan.
Bengali.
Malaysia. Language.
Bengali. $19 Muslim. Islam. 19% Muslim.
Per capita.
2,000.
Okay, yeah, 12. Per capita here is higher. Malaysia. It's higher.
0.600 million. Multi million.
Currency. Ringgit.
Take.
Taka.
Dhaka.
Ringgit.
Left.
Right inside, left.
South Sudan. India is right.
India is right or left?
Right.
Polling code plus 16
Plus 880.
import
16.
16 billion. Right. Malaysia is high.
High.
167.
Yeah. Bangladesh is there. 48 billion.
Education budget
17 billion.
GDP
1.07 trillion. GDP 6.5. Morocco is good.
Almost.
Almost same.
Run, 46.
46.
So in Malaysia they didn't know.
Yeah, it's stronger. Yeah, it's high. I think rank. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Yes, amazing.
Yeah, amazing
Yeah.
video.
So tell us what you learn about Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. The
Ah.
capital is Dhaka.
Okay.
And the official religion is Muslim.
Yeah, same to
And
Malaysia. Huh.
And one more thing,
Huh.
Malaysia, no,
Bangladesh.
is stronger according to power,
To the military.
to military
Yes,
power.
yes. Malaysia is like compared to Malaysia, Bangladesh is stronger. Yes, that's true. That's very true. And
They
Okay.
have like GBT, like
Yeah.
6 billion.
GDP also Bangladesh is stronger,
Ah.
like the whole for
Yeah.
the whole country. But when it come per capital, then Malaysia is stronger.
Yeah,
That is why Malaysia, when you see each and every, okay, let's just comparing the according to the city. If we speak on city-wise, capital city-wise, then Malaysia is going, GDP is going to be higher than
Than
Bangladesh city. Than Dhaka, let's say like that. But in overall, Bangladesh is like,
according to economic, which one is strong?
according to economic, I think but Bangladesh.
I don't guess so. I think it's Malaysia, because Malaysia is famous country and a lot of students they study there and go to medicine.
Okay. Yeah. In development, I can say Malaysia.
Yeah.
Malaysia is more developed than Bangladesh. That is like honest truth.
Yeah.
But okay, in GDP, like GDP is like the gross domestic gross, like for the whole country. Then like this is what helped the economic of the country. Like okay, population. Which one? Let's come back to the population.
Population, of course, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, right?
Of course.
Bangladesh is more.
It's
Population?
It's more than
Malaysia.
Yeah.
Okay. Malaysia is developed, but we just want to. It's like little doubt. Me, I can say Bangladesh economic is stronger than Malaysia, even in military. So for you, you think Malaysia
Drop your
economic,
comment.
right?
Let us know.
The economic, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In development, no doubt, Malaysia is
Malaysia, of
a
course.
very good
Absolutely,
developed country.
Malaysia.
Everyone will definitely prefer to visit that. And yeah, both countries kind of Islamic Muslim nation, guys.
Malaysia like 60.
Yeah. Like coming to, overall, the similarity are a little closer to each other.
Yeah.
And in the rank, military rank,
44.
Bangladesh come first.
44,
48, 46.
46.
And here, Malaysia 48.
48,
Yeah, just tell us this, guys, which country, we don't know, we just want to know the country which has best economic between Malaysia and Bangladesh,
Make
guys.
sure to drop your comments. Let
And
us
we
know.
want you guys to teach us something in Bangladesh and teach us something in Malaysia.
So next
What
time
they
when-
speak? What they speak in Malaysia?
Punjab.
No. Malaysia.
Malaysia.
It's like
Malaysia.
last time we saw it's like
Malaysia. It's a Malaysia.
Which language do you guys speak like in Malaysia? Teach us, tell us.
And Bangladesh, of course, Punjab.
No, Bengali. Why is he saying Punjab?
Punjabi we need.
He has so many friends in Punjab. That's why he's saying Punjab.
Bengali.
They speak Bengali. Okay, guys. We are wishing all the best for Bangladesh and Malaysia, guys. Wishing all the best, economic, military, whatever, guys. Love from Africa. Make sure to like this video. Feel free to drop your comment, guys. And
if you want to watch our vlog,
we have a separate channel for vlogging only in India here. It's Gabs Gabi TV, guys. And support our reaction new channel, guys. Love from Africa.